In this video, let's take a look at the settings page. You access the settings page by clicking on settings here at the very top menu. Notice there are 5 tabs: subscribe to plan, MailChimp, support, transaction, and settings. The settings tab basically shows you all of the information that is relevant to your organization. So you have here the organization name, which is your information here. You have the logo. If you want to upload a new logo or a different logo, it just needs to be 274 by 80 pixels. And all you do is you come here and select change image, you browse, upload the file, and once you click here at the bottom, submit, then you'll be able to see your logo change. Now, when it comes to different parts of the software, a lot of what you'll see here is things that are done internally where people can access and view. For an example, when you have small groups or classes that you'd like to take your people to on your public website, then we give you a link to do that as long as you're creating them from the Manage Groups page. So then what you would do is you would give that link a title. This would be the page title, Small Groups and Classes, and then you would have a unique external group name, small-groups-in-classes. So this will be connected to the link, whether that's imaginemobilechurch.com/small groups and classes or imaginemobilelearning.com/small groups and classes. Now, this email notification has to do with training updates. If you want to get updates on your people as they're taking training. But remember, you can go to the dashboard and see those updates as soon as you log in. If you are a nonprofit, you can enter your tax ID here, and this will show up on the donation and payment reports for your people. If you need to set up credit card information for your site, you would basically click here and set up your credit card information. If you're going to be using MailChimp and you've already set up that account, then here is where we would paste your MailChimp API key. Maybe you're tech savvy and you already know what that is. Great. Just paste it here, and then we take care of the rest. And if you're not sure what that is, no worries. We take care of that all in the setup. Your default mail module is the mail module for your system. And that's going to be right now either the default, which is the SMTP, or it's going to be Mailgun, or it's going to be Mandrill. It all depends on what you have set up. Then if you use Mandrill, you would enter here, or we would enter this for you, your user name, your API key, and Mandrill is a special email service just like Mailgun, and it allows you to deliver more emails to your people. The next thing you'll notice is that we have a service called Twilio. Twilio helps you with marketing your events, activities, etc. And if you have an inbound number, we would put it here for you. You have different things called SIDs and tokens. You would enter all that information here, or we would enter it for you. Then if you have a specific message ID, we would put that here for you as well. And again, most of this we will do for you already. You'd put your first number here, your second number if you have one, and a third number. If you are using one of our integrated partners, Stripe, for your payments and donations, then you would basically put the information here, or we would put that here for you. And again, some of these other things you don't have to worry about like Stripe, because again, we're doing that on the back end. And then for different functions such as external links for payments, you have that information here. Some of this information here is auto populated by us. If you use one of our CRM tools, then you would put your token key here. Your unique public calendar name is basically the name of your external calendar that you can put on your public website. Once you do that, then when people go to your calendar and remember those events that are selected as public events, well, that will show up on your calendar and you can put a customized link here. For donations, you have your donation link. that auto-populates. You can copy and paste this onto your website. Here's the public calendar link. Here's what it would say. Notice church demo website, church demo website. And then you have your background check. So if you're set up with data source, you would put that information here, click on submit, or if you're set up with Good Hire, we would enter that information for you. So again, the settings page is typically the page where you enter key information related to your integrations, and for the most part, we take care of this for you.